In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Gumroad. If you want to share revenue from a product with another person, Gumroad makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to invite a collaborator, set their revenue share, and connect them to the right product so everything is assigned correctly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Collaborators. This will take you to the area where you can manage people who are connected to your products and earnings. After the Collaborators page opens, click on Add Collaborator. This starts the setup process for inviting someone new. If this is your first time using the feature, take a moment to review the page carefully so you know where each setting appears before you submit anything. Next, enter the collaborator's email address in the provided field. Be sure to type the address carefully because this is how Gumroad identifies the person you want to add. A small typo here can send the invite to the wrong place or prevent the collaborator from receiving it, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once the email address is entered, set the revenue share percentage. This determines how much of the product's revenue will go to that collaborator. Make sure you choose the percentage intentionally and confirm that it matches your agreement with the person you're adding. It's a good idea to review this number before finalizing, since it directly affects how earnings are split. After that, click the product you want to add collaborators to. This is an important step because the collaboration applies to the specific product you select. If you have multiple products in your Gumroad account, make sure you choose the correct one so the right item is linked to the collaborator. Finally, click on Add Collaborator to complete the process. Once you do that, the collaborator will be added with the email, revenue share, and product settings you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator in Gumroad. As a final tip, it's always smart to quickly review the collaborator details after saving, just to make sure the email address, revenue percentage, and selected product are all correct. That extra check can help you avoid mistakes later and keep your revenue sharing setup running smoothly.